Neighbors told me there were two trees that came down on the same street, one all the way at the corner and another one right here exactly where we are. The difference is when this one came down, there was a child right underneath it. Thankfully, nuns who live right here at this convent were able to help.
It took a minute for us to understand the gravity. I think we were slightly speechless.
It was a split-second decision caught on camera. This video shows the moment when a tree comes down almost on top of a toddler who was playing in the snow. A woman covers the child with her body.
If the tree had shifted a little bit one way or the other, or if they had been standing a little bit to one side or the other, someone could have been really seriously hurt.
The child was not hurt. That person who helped him was a nun who lives right here at this convent along West 51st Street in Hell's Kitchen. The sisters saw it all.
We had a woman visiting with her child, and as the sisters were out there, some enjoying the snow, others shoveling. Out of seemingly nowhere, a 30-foot tree that stood just right behind me uprooted and fell across the street. And as it was falling, one of the sisters who was with the young child, and she just threw her body on top of this little child just to ensure his safety.
And just a few feet away, still on 51st, take a look. Another tree came down, this time almost hitting the manager of this bar.
All I just remember is seeing snow all around me, and the next thing you know, I see a big old tree next on my left side.
You can see the aftermath, but at least the bar is open again.
Yeah.
Were you scared at all?
Well, I was scared after the fact.
Yeah?
Yeah, I need to go play the lotto.
Gratitude for each other, gratitude for that sister and that little one, and then also for the whole community. We all depend on each other, and these are beautiful moments to remember that's actually a great gift.
And right now, cleanup continues here along 51st Street. Again, that child is okay, and now the nuns here from the convent have quite the story to tell.